Stop what you're doing and bookmark this video right now. I'm going to show you how to make these amazing Nutella Rice Krispie squares. First things first, add 50 grams of unsalted butter and 220 grams of mini marshmallows to a pan, then stir on a low heat until melted and really sticky. Take the pan off the heat and stir in 150 grams of Nutella until smooth. Then you are going to want to pour in 160 grams of Rice Krispies and combine until everything is really evenly covered. Line a square or rectangle tin with parchment paper and press the mixture into the tin. You don't want any air bubbles in your mixture, so make sure you really press into the edges. To make your swirly topping, melt 220 grams of white chocolate. You can do this in a microwave or in a bain-marie. Then in another bowl, melt 220 grams of Nutella for about 20 seconds. This is so it's nice and thin so you can swirl it on top. Then you are going to want to dollop each of these mixtures over your Rice Krispies and use a skewer to swirl it around for a really nice marbled effect. Put it in the fridge to set for about 2 hours, then you are ready to seriously impress your friends. Enjoy!